Hi guys, welcome to Java Express channel. Today I'm going to discuss how to set up a Node.js installation on Windows operating system. This software is required to develop any Angular application or React.js application, or if you want to run any JavaScript code. But this is a common module, Node.js. When you install the Node.js, even a package manager npm is also will be installed automatically. Okay, let me show you. Okay, open your Google Chrome. Here type, this is the official website, Node.js. Okay, just type Node.js install. It will navigate to the official website nodejs.org. Just you can click on nodejs.org and let me click here, click on Node.js. Now if you see, LTS is nothing but long-term support. Here out of that, whether you need a Windows or Mac or so source code, it is asking. Now I am interested for the Windows installer. See, it is automatically downloaded the software. The software will be around 27 MB only, not better than that. Now let me open. Yeah, it is going to download. Once this Node.js is downloaded, just it's kind of a next. That's it. It's very easy to set up. Now let me choose show in folder. Now right click and there is an install. Okay, there is an installation. Now click on the next here and choose the accept agreement here. Choose the accept agreement. Click on the next. And this is the default installation for C program files under Node.js. Click on the next option and see here, whenever you installing core pack manager, npm package manager also will be available by default with your Node.js. Click on the next, and here this option if required, else you can ignore also, and click next and install. That's it, and make it yes here. It's very simple to install the Node.js also, guys. And if you develop the Node.js, then will be verify how to check the version also. I will be help you whether you install this. See, Node.js is successfully installed. Click finish. If you want to check the version, just in the search bar type command prompt. Now click on command prompt here and type node-version. Now which version you install, it will be displayed. Node-version. It is saying that is a bad. Now let me open another hyphen version. See here. Now 16.14.0. This is the version I installed the Node.js in my local system. Now let me verify whether I can able to work with. Now in the search bar type Node.js, guys. Now open here. Okay, here whether the software is working or not, if you want to know, you can able to print the logs also. Let me change the font size, font layout. Let me make it as 20. Okay, make sure yes. Now have a look here. Just I want to print a hello world console. Okay, dot log. See, it is you are getting the automatic suggestions here. Here I'm opening here. Welcome to Java Express. Now this is kind of a log statement. Make it enter. See, now it is defining welcome to Java Express. That means your Node.js software is successfully installed. In the next, maybe if I get a time, I will be show you how to install a Visual Studio also. In the next session, I will be explaining. Thank you guys. Keep watching. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.